Alright, everyone. So today something came that I'm really hyped for. It's these Jordans that I ordered for like a really cheap price. You're not gonna believe this. If you see it, I don't know if I put it in the title or the thumbnail or something. It's just really crazy the price that I got these for. It's one of those diamond in the roughs, like those rare once in a lifetime auctions on eBay, on which nobody sees them, and then you can just like put in the lowest bid you can, and you just get them. But so if you don't know, in here we got a pair of Jordans that I ordered. These are not for restoration. These are not for nothing. These are new, dead stock, I believe, or near dead stock, or very near dead stock, or something like that. And these are actually for me, that I actually caught because I've wanted these for a while now, like a really long time. But I missed them at release, and they sat, and I still missed them. And then they ran out, and I still missed them. So now I'm really happy to get these. Let's go ahead and open them. Let's go ahead and open this box, see if they're real. I really don't think it's gonna be real, but like I wanted to try buying these anyway. Like if it's one of those once in a lifetime chances, and I gotta take it. Let's go ahead and open this box right here. And here's a special moment. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's the box. That right there is the Jordan 5 International Flight box. So I don't know if they use these on the Jordan 3 International Flights too, but like these are for the 5s. You can see right there. Let's see on the box. As you can see, you got the gold itself is shiny, so we know that the box is kind of legit, kinda. Let's go ahead and see the tag. So the font is pretty good. It's the same size as my other boxes. And let's see, we got the colors right. Those are the International Flight colors, and the color code does match up. You can go and check that. And the retail price hanging sticker thing, that does seem to be like good quality. It's not too loose, too stuck. You can just remove it easily or leave it on, depending on what you want. Now let's go ahead and do the honors of opening these up. Let's go ahead and see. Oh, there we got the invoice. I can't really let you guys see my address, so I'm gonna have to blur that out. But as you can see, I'm gonna go and show you the price right here. I did get these for exactly $39.66 off of eBay, and I actually got these because this was an auction and no one was bidding on it. So it looks like they just missed it, and I went ahead and put it in my lowest bid, and I won it. So I'm really happy right now. Let's go ahead and open these up and see if they look good. Alright, so right off the bat, we can see that we got the 5s right there. They look really good. Like, they don't look fake, at least from where I'm standing right now. But let's go ahead and go more in detail. Let's go ahead and just put the box down here so we can take them out. Alright, there we go. So first of all, as you can see, sorry, that voice cracked. So as you can see, that the 3M on the tongue does look nice. Like some fake Jordan 5s, the 3M on the tongue is like is just like a really low dim. Like if you ever worn Jordan Son of Marses, like the ones that have the Jordan 5 midsole, you know the 3M tongue is sort of like very lowly dim. Like 3M is not very bright at all. Like that's what fake Jordan 5s are like sometimes. But these are actually really bright, just like my 1999 Fire Red 5s, which I am gonna be comparing these to later on. But yeah. So as you can see, from now they look really good. They do seem to be dead stock. Like they look like they've been worn like a couple times. Let's go ahead and check the sole right there. Yeah, look, there's like a little piece of dirt. There's nothing. Like they're still icy as a bad word or something. I don't know, but they look really icy. And as you can see on the tongue, we got the Ida Jordan. If I can show you in a second. Alright, now I'm not showing you it. I'm sorry. So that's actually the size tag in there, which is what we need to like find out if these are legit. So the size tag itself does look legit for now, but we're gonna go ahead and go in more in detail with that. Alright, so it does look good, but we are gonna go ahead and compare these to my 1999 Fire Red 5s, just to see how they compare. If these look somewhat more, I don't know, newer, obviously, or something. I don't know, but let's go ahead and compare these anyway, just to see everything that's changed over the years, to see if these are authentic and everything, because I know for a fact the 1999 5s are original. But yeah, so you know, I'm restoring these, so you can see that the sole is still removed. Anyway, you can see that these have the Nike Air tag because they're from 1999. But you can see that the shape hasn't changed too much. Between 2018, which the international flights are from, and the 1999 fives, which are obviously from 1999. But so you can see that the don't excuse the fact that I don't have any netting on the right side of the shoe. That's just because of something that happened. But I need to swap that netting to another to the other side of the shoe. You'll see that in the video when I restore those 1999 Fire Red 5s. But as you can see, there is that little scuff right there. That's basically all that's there. I'm gonna see if that's superficial or if it's like it's just like dirt. It's not even a scuff. So I'm really happy with this so far. But I'm gonna teach you guys how you can make sure that the shoes you buy on eBay for really cheap, like these were really cheap, as I've been saying like this entire video. I'm gonna show you guys how to not get scammed, not get any fakes, not get stuff like that. And I may even show you guys how to save you the trouble. Just see how to see if Jordans are fake before you even buy them. You can just see them through a listing. But as you can see, there's the Jumpman. The Jumpman looks pretty good. There's no threads hanging. There's no nothing. And the insole, there's no errors on it. Like on some fake Jordans, you might see typos on places where there's text on the shoe. Real Jordans usually don't have that. If they do have it, then they're most likely B grades. Not that I have anything against B grades. I really like B grades, to be honest. The first shoe that I bought for this year was B grades. So I don't have anything about I don't have anything against B grades like some of you sneakerheads have out there. But anyway, let's get to seeing if these are legit. So let's start with looking at the box tag again. But as you can see, all the gold text on the box is shiny, as I showed you like really briefly. On fake shoes, you'll see that that's usually matte. Like they usually don't want to spend that much money to make that shiny gold, the parts on the box. But anyway, let's get back to the shoes. And as you can see, the 23 looks good as well. If you can see it, there's no threads hanging, there's no nothing. The tag again looks good. The Jumpmans are how do I say this? They're the Jumpmans they don't vary. Like they look exactly the same on both pairs, on both sides of the shoe. Like there's no butt cracks on with them, or like Jordan's head isn't tilted to like a 90-degree angle or something like that, or he isn't fat or something like that. But yeah, as you can see, let's look inside. We're trying to see the size tag, which is like the best giveaway to see if Jordans are fake or real. Again, that voice crack. But yeah, we can see like size tags for Jordans will have like that little black bar at the top, and on top of that we'll have like a Jumpman. But yeah, they also should have the color code, which should match up with the shoe and the sizes, and they should be in like a consistent font. Like they shouldn't be like any squiggly letters like you'll see on some fakes. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys well, only newer shoes like after 2006 got those size tags where they had the black bar at the top and the date and all that. I'm gonna show you guys on the 1999 Fire Red 5s what an older size tag looks like, so you don't get scammed on older Jordans older Jordans too, like OGs, non-retro, stuff like that. But so let's go ahead and see the Fire Red 5 size tag, which should be easier to get. Yeah, it's just on the side right here because the Jordans aren't laced. But you can see there's no black tag. There's one dead giveaway to see if these are real though. That little date at the bottom that says when these were made, that should be touching the barcode. Like it should not be separated from the barcode, the barcode that's right there. Most likely, if it's separated, then it's gonna be a fake. I've learned that a while back when I bought like a pair of Jordan 7 OGs that turned out to be super duper fake, and I got really scammed on that. I just threw them away. But yeah, I actually got my money back for those, but I just threw them away anyway because like I don't really bad word with fakes. But anyway, so you can see that the tongue right there is clearly 3M. It looks good, and don't know if you guys saw that for like a brief second, but the inside of the shoe actually says for these shoes specifically, Air Jordan. That's because these are called both the International Flights and the Barcelonas. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and try to lace these up and see how they look on feet. I'm gonna go on. Actually, those are the shoes I was telling you guys about. Those Air Jordan 1 Air Jordan 1 City of Flights that are super dirty. Those are B grades. I bought this at the beginning of the year. This was the first shoe that Jordan released this year. I bought them at a Nike outlet in Poconos. But yeah, I really like those. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's lace these up and see how they look. So I really like how they look. I'm really getting used to how these Jordan 5s, voice crack again, how these Jordan 5s fit on your feet, cause like they really feel like a stiff pillow on your feet. Like they feel hard, but they also feel like really comfortable. Like your feet can fall asleep if you leave them in there too long. That's not a bad thing to me. It might be to you. But anyway, let's put that other shoe back just because I don't want to put that one on yet. Like these are like my grails. These are my grails. These are not like my grails. These are my grails for now. Other than the Fire Red 5s, but those still aren't finished. Like those are getting a little bit neglected now that I got these. But yeah. Anyway, I really like how these look on feet. Like I've really liked these shoes as soon as they came out, and I'm really happy that I was able to get these for these price. And I really hope that through doing this video I was able to help you guys maybe with your deals, like or other Jordan that you're buying on eBay. But you know, or on Mercari or like Poshmark, you always want to be on the lookout to see if they're fakes. You always want to look for the telltale signs. And unless you like fakes, like some people like to wear reps. I don't really like to. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.